Just a quick video to show how to fit an EGR valve to an N57 3-litre diesel. So if you've got this engine cover on your car, the first thing you have to do is put it up on each 4 corners. Now take the cover off. You then have the engine exposed. There'll be some coolant lines, so let's see one here at the front and one at the back. So what I do is just put some contact to clamp them, stop the coolant coming out. And also then there is some screws here, and as you can see they are tamper proof T30s, and again one underneath here. So I'll show you more about that. First thing you do though is just to open the coolant bottle just to relieve any pressure. So if this is hot, you want to be very careful, probably take this off very slowly. As you see there, just relieve the pressure out of the cooling system and just pop it back on. That way when you take these pipes off, you won't get that pressure trying to come through them pipes.
And what about this?
So got some tools as you see here. This is just an E10. That is for the front wiring brackets that'll just go on there. So what I'll do is I'll crack that off. And then just to show you the tamper-proof T30, as you can see there, it's a hole in this T30, so this is quite a long one. This was just purchased from eBay, just a couple of pounds, and as you can see now it will just go straight into that. So it's something you'll need to be able to get this valve removed. So as you can see here, clamped off these pipes to stop any coolant coming out. Have got the valve out. I've just put some paper in there just to make sure nothing goes in there. Why? Just getting the new part out. Just to show you the old one though. So this is what came out. As you can see, it is quite rusty in there, so just take a bit of persuading once you've undone the bolts. And as you can see, this is what the valve is. So get the new one on. Got the replacement valve installed, so it was just a known good second-hand one. But what we need to do now, as this has been put back in, is we need to reset the adaptions on the EGR valve position. So just go into that, then this job's all done. So I've got the diagnosis hooked up. It's already detected the car, so press next. So it's just going to flick through, see what the car's got, what it hasn't got, pick up all the control modules. From here you can do health report or go into any selection on this. You do special function. Sorry, too far. And then go to drive. Then here there'll be several options. What you want to do is reset adaptions. Here we'll start to talk to the engine management control unit, which is DDE, and it asks us what we want to readapt. And we go to air mass system, as you can see, F3. And as you can see here, EGR valve is one of those that's stated, so press continue. Then it would delete the adaption out of the control module. And then here it says allow the vehicle to go to sleep. So what you do is, as you can see at the moment, the start button is illuminated. So what you have to do is turn it off. What you want to do is wait until the illumination goes off, which can take up to 3 minutes. At that point then press continue, and then it will come off, and then the adaptions are all reset. So you just have to clear the fault memory down then, and then the job will all be completed. The EGR valve will be adapted and your fault memory should be clear.